Hot summer night and the beach was burning, there was fog crawling over the sand. When I listen to your heart, I hear the whole world turning. I see the shooting stars falling through your trembling hands. Now you hold me so close and my knees grow weak, and my soul is flying high above the ground. I'm trying to speak, but no matter what I do, I just can't seem to make any sound. And then you took the words right out of my mouth. Oh, it must have been while you were kissing me. You took the words right out of my mouth, and I swear it's true. I was just about to say I love you. Gizagain. Oh, I swear it's true. I was just about to say Gizagain. I love you. All right, let's start that way. Now I can't remember the way the song goes. And then you took the words right out of my mouth. Oh, it must have been while you were kissing me. You took the words right out of my mouth, and I swear it's true. I was just about to say Gizagain. I love you. Hey, Boozhoo! Boozhoo Nij Anashanabe Dug. Welcome back to the Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo podcast. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And our Ojibwe word of the day. Gizagain. I guess it's more of a sentence than a word. Yeah, I suppose. Yeah. Gizagain. I love you. Did you like how I burped on that? I love to burp. All right, maybe we should start over. You know, we don't even have to do this, really. We just released one. Should we go live? Nah. All right. Oh, I just wanted to set it up and make it look like this, and then we'll record a real one later. All right. And you took the words right out of my mouth. You took the words right out of my mouth. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. All right. Okay, sorry, we're not going to do a show right now. Watch the other video. But if you did watch this, the Ojibwe phrase is Gizagain. I love you. And you have been watching the what is this? The B-roll. The extra, you know, after the DVD's over and they go, oh, here's a bunch of crap we left on the editing room floor. This is the editing room. Okay, we gotta get out of here. All right, let me shut this off. Just in case we use it.